Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video this is going to be a walkthrough tutorial of how to file your LLC and EIN number in the state of Wisconsin, and this whole process is only about 5 minutes. It's really fast. I've seen a ton of videos on YouTube with all these chapters and they're like 30-40 minutes. I really don't know what they're doing because this process is extremely easy if you just follow along. So click the link in the description below. We're going to take you to the Tailor Brands website and you can just follow along with me. So again, click that link and let's just get right into it. So we're going to start by hitting Wisconsin. And now you can type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions. And what stage are you currently in? Now, as far as an industry, you can type in a letter and thousands of options come up just for one letter. So you can see how specific it gets. And yeah, here eyelash extensions comes up. And then what are you offering? Either a good or a service or maybe both. So click what applies for you. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees. It's completely fine and it's not going to affect your filing at all. So just click again where you are at the moment. And where are you operating your business from? So if you don't have a storefront, you can use your home zip code. And are you selling online, at a shopper store, or on the go? So click as many as you need that apply for you. And today I want you to click LLC so it's highlighted in blue, and also EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or business bank account. So sometime probably within this year, you will need to have an EIN number. And I just like that Tailor Brands offers everything business related in one place. So maybe you need like a logo created or a license or permit for something. So it just kind of saves you that time and hassle of having to search everywhere on the internet for all this stuff. All right, and we can skip this survey. You discovered Tailor Brands through YouTube. And you guys, Tailor Brands is offering a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. First of all, it's free. Second of all, if I can learn something to help me make more money, amazing, right? So join it if you want, skip it if you don't. And now we're just going to type in our personal information. And create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, do you want Tailor Brands to create your EIN number for you, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to handle it yourself, you can do that through the IRS website. In my opinion, I feel like government websites are very outdated and difficult to navigate. Also, they only allow you to file it Monday through Friday. For whatever reason, you can't do it on the weekends. So for $99, Tailor Brands to do it for me, pretty much me clicking this button is like them handling it. I don't really have to do much else. So I feel like it's completely worth any stress or hassle that I would have to deal with. And as far as assigning a registered agent, now, registered agent is essentially a fancy word for who's going to receive the mail in regards to your business LLC. So if you live in Wisconsin and you're opening your LLC in Wisconsin, you will be your own registered agent. In some circumstances, maybe you live in whatever other state and you're opening it in Wisconsin. It could be for like tax benefits or something like that. Then you would need to appoint someone that lives in the state. But most of you guys, like I said, will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, you have to pay some late fees, some fines, and just extra money spent that was completely avoidable and unnecessary. So if you are busy with your business and you have a lot going on, Tailor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. If you think that you'll remember, make sure you do that. You can handle it on your own. You won't have to pay anything extra. I'm going to hit no on a branding toolkit. And to get our LLC to us in 2 days, it's $49. If you don't want to pay that, you can get it in 2 weeks, but I want mine as soon as possible. And you don't need an operating agreement, so skip that. So you want a formation kit, it's up to you. And this is a really good service to consider. So let's just say you don't really have a system set up yet for how you want to organize like all of your finances, or maybe you do have a system and it's just not cutting it anymore. Tailor Brands is going to get you super organized where like your bookkeeping is going to be on point. You know where exactly all your finances and invoices and everything like that is going. So definitely recommend checking it out if you're serious about expanding your business. They give you a free trial with some price options at the end. But if you want to manage your own books and invoices, that's okay too. You can click this option here. And yes, we'd like to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, they offer a few different plans. Feel free to check out what they have. But for today, we're just getting our LLC, so we don't need to pay for anything extra. All right, so this is the breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Wisconsin state filing fee is $131. That's just the mandated state filing fee. And we're getting that free coaching program as well as paying the $49 for the 2-day filing for your grand total. Now, after you file for your LLC, then once that's processed, then they will charge you for your EIN. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge come in. It's just for your EIN. Now, after you enter your credit card information, they're going to ask you what address you want to use. I always use my home address since I don't have a storefront. So if you don't have a store, maybe you're e-commerce or you're on the go. And I've never gotten bombarded with like spam mail, junk mail, anything like that. It's just if they need you for something in regards to your LLC. So highly recommend using your home address if you don't have a storefront. But that's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC at EIN number, and you can see this was so fast and easy. But if you do have questions, maybe I missed something, leave it in the comments below. That's it for now. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.